Hello, here at FIACZ, we offer 3 tiers of pricing so that our customers can choose the level of support that fits them best. Basic covers the essential cybersecurity skills and tools, perfect for getting started. Standard adds deeper guidance and more hands-on support for those who want stronger protection. Premium provides the most comprehensive experience with advanced tools and ongoing support for long-term safety. If you'd like the full pricing breakdown, text FYI CSE to 530-978-5357 and we'll reach out to you with that information quickly.